guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great. As you can tell by the title, today I will be showing you guys some of the most popular lashes from the company Lilly Lashes. And if you've never heard about them, well, today you're going to see how their most popular lashes look like. With that being said, if you want to see how these lashes look like, or you're just here because you love lashes in general, then I suggest you to keep on watching. As you can tell, I already did my face because that is not the important part of this video. Lilly lashes are very popular if you ask me. They are though on the pricier side, and I personally have not tried them on myself. My clients love them, especially my brides. So today I will be showing you guys 4 of their popular lashes. They have so many lashes in their website, but these are the most popular ones, I would say. So the lightest one from their mink lashes would be this one, I believe. This one is in the style Always and Forever. And I know I did say that usually these are what my clients ask, and I have not tried them on myself yet. I know that seems kind of weird, but you know how, well, as some of you guys know, I'm a makeup artist. And if you ask most of these makeup artists, they'll tell you how they started their career, and usually they started doing makeup on themselves. Me now, I'm a whole different story. I started doing it on other people. And then not so long ago, I started doing makeup on myself. So that's why I don't find it weird that I haven't yet tried these lashes on myself, even though I've tried them on my clients. And I love how they look. They look beautiful. They look flawless. Okay, so let me just take this tape off because, great, they're very secure. That's why before I get to my clients and they have requested these lashes, I make sure I take that tape off because, as you guys can see, it takes a long time. They run, I believe, in between, I think 25 up to 35, 36, I believe. I'll make sure I write it down below, the right prices. So I'm going to use my glue. I apply these lashes mostly on my quinceañeras or my brides, depending on their package. And also, of course, any one of my clients that wish to upgrade, they are welcome to upgrade and request these type of lashes. My pleasure. Here goes nothing. Here goes nada. Oh my gosh. Wow, this one is beautiful. So beautiful. Now let me pop the other one and let me show you guys how they look. Oh my god, these are so beautiful. And again, I will write down their price here, but have in mind that sometimes they do, have like free shipping or 10% off or 15% off, depending on the holiday or event that they may be holding. These feel beautiful, comfortable. Have in mind, these are lighter than the lashes that I showcased on my other videos. And if you haven't watched those videos yet, well, feel free to watch those. Next, we have Lyla, I believe that's how you say it. And these are more full than the other ones. Get close. Wow, the way that this is wispied out is so flawless. So flawless. No wonder my brides ask for these lashes. They are stunning. These are just so fluffy. I think these will become staple in my personal lash family because these are equally fluffy all around, corner to corner. I have to say these are beautiful. These would be like my dramatic ones for whenever I go out. Cute or what? Okay, let's go next with the other lash. How are you guys liking these types of videos? You know, lash videos. Do you guys enjoy it? Do you guys like it? Any other videos that you guys would, any other videos, any other lashes that you guys would like for me to try? What's up with my pelo? No entiendo. Next, we're gonna do, these are Miami Lite. These lashes are the baby sister of Miami. There you go. I love how they just perfectly fit. There you go. So far, these lashes, all of the three that I've tried on, they have the same type of band, and it is a lightweight band. They don't feel overwhelming, nothing awkwardly stabbing me or anything like that. Of course, when I'm doing my brides and I apply these lashes on, I automatically see how it looks on them, how fluffy they are. I don't know why I didn't try them, but now, girl, I'm keeping, girl, these are gonna be used quite often for sure. All right, let's go on with the next one. Let me take these babies off. Now it's gonna be the sister of Miami Lite, and these are, I think if I'm not wrong, these are gonna be the longer version of that one, of the one we tried on previously. You know which one I wanted to try but I couldn't get my hands on? It would be the Mykonos. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it right, but I believe those are their most intense lashes, but they were out of stock. Lilly Lashes also has a synthetic line of lashes. Let's go. And this lash style is more wispier than the other one, and also I believe it has a little more intensity. Not only that, but the length of it is longer compared to their baby sister, which is Miami Lite. When I say wispier, I mean, you know, the separations. I'm not sure if you guys see the indentations right there. I'm surprised of the band that they have. Feels amazing. They're definitely bridal material, and I could see that on myself now. Okay, so let's put on the other one. I feel they open up my eyes more than anything else. Can you guys see? I think it's the length of it that makes my eyes go boom. Hello. Wow, they're stunning. I'm so glad I tried it on myself because now I have this for my personal use. Those are the 4 pair of lashes that I tried from Lilly Lashes. These are the most popular ones, the ones that I see all over the place, the ones that my clients ask for personally. These lashes are beautiful overall. They feel lightweight, which I feel is one of the things that us people that are not used to bold lashes are looking for. Then again, these weren't as intense as other ones that I've previously tried, but they're definitely not on my daily type of lash. I hope you guys enjoyed and liked what I brought to you guys. If you liked what you've seen, give this video a thumbs up. It is greatly appreciated. And if you haven't subscribed yet, I highly suggest you subscribed. Make sure you tap on that little bell so you get notified when I upload and whenever I have these surprise giveaways within my video. So that's why it is important to always stay on the lookout to see if I do giveaways. I do. Follow me on Instagram. I'll leave my link down below, my name right over here. With that being said, I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.